Let's see. I hope you can see my screen. So I'm sharing my whiteboard. I'm sharing my whiteboard and giving you something that you have to answer. Now see. Write the meaning of the following word. Write the meaning of the following word. I'm giving you few words. Meaning you have to write. Write the meaning of the following word. Number one. Number one. All day long. All day long. Write the meaning of the following word. And I said meaning will also come in the essay 1 exam. There will be meaning. Essay 1 exam, there will be meaning. So all day long. What is the meaning of this word? All day long. All day long. Number 2. P-U-L-L, pool. So these meanings are important for the exam also. Write it down. These meanings are important for the exam. Perfect. As I know that most of you right now not yet prepared to write the meaning of this word. So do one thing, write it down and then read all these meaning from your book and then write down. Okay? Acha. Wait. As these are very important for the exam, I am giving you. Okay? Wait. Stall. Bar. Bunch. Greengrocer. So in the exam also there will be few meaning for maybe for 5 marks or maybe for 10 marks. So 10 mark will be there for the meaning. So meaning is very important for English literature. Okay. I know that the meaning, these meanings are also in one sentence, but you need to prepare the meaning. As for calling English literature book, the student should prepare the meaning of the words. For the exam, I'm giving you 10 meaning. 10 meanings, okay? Only these 10 meanings you have to prepare for the exam. Only this. I know in your book there are few meanings, few more meanings are there, but for the exam, prepare only these 10. And you know, all answers are written in the book. And for also from revision chapter, two revision chapters are there, swing, swing and springtime. Swing, swing and springtime, these two revision chapters are there. Yawning. Okay, so for the exam, prepare only this 10 meaning. No need to prepare all meaning, prepare only this 10 meaning. All day long, pool, perfect, wet, stall, bar, bunch, greengrocer, patch, and yawning. Prepare only this 10 meaning for the Essay 1 exam. So write it down so that you can prepare all this meaning. What happened, Shruti? What happened, Shruti? Unmute your device. Shruti, unmute your device. Any problem? Molisha, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. As a student, if you not yet prepare the meaning, so you can also write it down from your book. As this is the first time I'm giving you, but next day without book you have to write. You have to memorize the meaning of this word. Okay, as this is first time you are allowed to write it from the book, but from next time without showing book you have to write, but write it down in your copy, because this is the suggestion for meaning. For the essay 1 exam you have to prepare only this 10 meaning. Unmute your device, Shruti.
Ma'am, today I said the snowball poem.
Are you writing the meaning? Are you writing this meaning?
Yes.
Okay, then complete it. First write it down, write the meaning of this word. And I said you can also take help from your book. And for the snowball, I know that we have revised snowball very well. Next day, next week, again, we'll take exam from English literature and language both. But so before that, I want to give you few suggestions. So these are the suggestion for meaning. Okay, for essay 1 exam, there will be this 10 meaning only. No need to prepare all meaning from the book. Prepare only this 10 meaning. Jishan, what happened, Jishan? What are you doing? Sit quietly. Acha, Realme Narzo. This is Afrin, no? What happened, Afrin? Unmute your device.
Ma'am.
Yes, say. No, write the answer. Afrin, also write down the answer. You just have written the word. You need to write the answer. These are words. You have to write the meaning of this word. You can take.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can take help from your book as this is first time. Okay. I said also write down answer. Okay. You can take help from your book. Samia, are you writing? Write down. Find out the meaning of these words. Find out the meaning of these words. All day long. Cool. Perfect. Wet. Stall. Bar. Bunch. Greengrocer. Patch. And yawning. I know that most of you not yet prepared this meaning, and that is why you are allowed to write, you are allowed to find out this meaning from your book as this is first time. But next day you have to write without book. Okay. I drop your hand because I'm taking attendance. Audrey, how are you are not writing? What are you doing? What are you doing? This is classwork. You have to write the meaning of this word. Do fast. You not yet started anything and you are playing. Mariam Parvin, switch on your video. In this coming practice test, in the upcoming practice test, as we have completed our syllabus, so there will not be question from a particular chapter. Understand? There will not be question from a particular chapter. So 5 questions can be from 5 different chapters. As we have completed our English syllabus, so from any chapter I can give you 5 questions. Okay. So in this upcoming practice test 4 for English, there will be 5 questions from 5 different chapters. Understand? Not from a single chapter, as because already we have completed our syllabus, and so question will be from 5 different chapters. Shomodeep, where are you? And Audrija Dhawa, you are not doing anything. You are playing. You are having food. I want to talk to your mother. You never do classwork. Be attentive in the class. Why I need to say every day? Why? You are a good girl, and why you are behaving like this? Upama, what are you doing? Are you want to hide your face? Upama, keep it away. Keep all the books. Keep away all the book from camera. I cannot see you, Upama. Sreyan Shanchari, write down. Aishman, write down. Acha. Shruti completed. Unmute your device. Completed.
ম্যাম সেদিনে যে প্র্যাকটিস টেস্ট হয়েছিল ডেসক্রাইবিং ওয়ার্ডস সেইখানে হচ্ছে ওখানে বিউটিফুল হবার কথা আমি বিউটিফুলই দিয়েছি কিন্তু ওখানে দেখাচ্ছে আমি গার্ডেন দিয়েছি এরকম আমার 3বার হয়েছে 3বার প্র্যাকটিস টেস্ট হয়েছিল সেইটাতে অনেকবার
Yes, but beautiful is the answer because beautiful garden, beautiful is describing word. So I don't know why it's showing to you that it is wrong. Maybe for technical issue, network problem, it can happen. Okay.
Ma'am, I can't write because I don't know the spellings.
Spelling of?
Can I read book?
From starting of the class, I'm repeatedly telling you that if you don't know the answer, you can take help from the book. And at the end of the class, you are telling me that, ma'am, I don't know. Why? Why you not yet started? Okay, start writing. Okay. Those who not yet completed, they have to complete. They have to write the meaning of this word and show me again tomorrow. Because these meanings are very important for the exam. Very good, Isha. Very good. Okay. Shubham, completed. Don't play in the class. If you have completed, show me your copy. Mopoli, if you have completed, show me your copy. This same meaning, I'll ask you tomorrow. Today, show me your copy, but we'll ask you tomorrow. Very good, Shubhro. As I know that most of you have written all the meaning from book. So this is why today your homework is prepare the meaning of this word. Monojit, what happened, Monojit? Show me your copy. Those who have completed writing, show me your copy. Okay, Shubham, Mubasir, Mariam. But Shruti, Shubham, everyone, listen to me very carefully. Today you have written from the book, that is okay, as this it is the first time. But today memorize all these words and I'll ask you tomorrow. Okay? Very good, Mariam. Baban, Dishan. Okay, Aishman. Baban. Okay. So each one of you will be asked by me the meaning tomorrow. These meanings are your homework for tomorrow. Very good, Bedesrita. Shanchari. Where is Rayan? Where is Rayan? Okay. Upama. Upama, I cannot see you. Kaushita. Not completed. Okay. But definitely I will check that you are reading or not. You are studying at home or not. So prepare the meaning of this word tomorrow. For tomorrow, prepare all this meaning at your home and also write it down. At least for 2 times. Kaf Malik, Oishani Audrija, Sufyan. Okay, take your time. Shomodev is also writing. Okay. Shaurish, Onkit, Indrayud, Ashif, show me your copy. Okay. Oh my God. Ashif, you have written the Bengali meaning of this word. This is not Bengali class. And you have written Shobji Wala Tana. Why? This is English class. Why you have written in Bengali? Bengali is not allowed. This is not Bengali class and you are not studying in Bengali medium school. So why you have written Bengali meaning? English literature class and you are writing the meaning in Bengali? No. Listen to me. All meanings are there in your book. All meanings are there in a book. Okay, everything is there in your book. Everything is there in the book.